In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this BMW X5. This is going to be located underneath the cowl cover. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this cowl. You have these wing nuts. You want to follow along and loosen up the wing nuts. These ones are a little bit broken because it's older. Just twist those and then grab the cowl cover. We're just going to pull it up out of the way. Now we need to move this cover. Just twist the wing nuts here and here. Flip that up and then you can see the filter there. Just grab the filter and it comes right out. Now pull the cover up, take the new air filter, cabin filter, slide it in place. Make sure there's an airflow going in the up position because the air flows up. Push that in, put the cover down, screw the wing nuts down. Now put the cowl cover on, get that lined up. Push the wing nuts down, twist those. And one's on the side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.